Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video. So you can understand it in a better way, friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section. And you can also follow me on Instagram, friends. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYUBHABHACHARJEE1906, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 24 video, 56 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends, okay? And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends, okay? And in our last video, I've covered the topic called, friends, how does a person pay off their karma on earth, right? So in our this video, I'm going to cover the topic called art testing and training the same karma. So this is the topic which I'm going to cover in this video, friends, and this video number is 143, friends, okay? And the topic is art testing and training the same as karma. So I will start, friends, okay? They are not the same as karma, but are linked to karma. When you were in the spirit world, you choose to come down to earth in order to do the following. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri that when we are in the spirit, when we were in the spirit world, we have selected that we are going to go down in the earth to do the following things. Let's see what are the things. That is repay karma. This is the thing. Then undergo testing and training. So for undergoing testing and training, then fulfillment of your spiritual mission, your true purpose of being on earth. So fulfillment of our true spiritual mission which we have selected in the spirit world, and protect your loved one, and also to protect our loved ones. So this was the fourth thing collectively make up you path on earth. So this was the four things which made us collectively on the path to go in the earth world, friends, okay? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. Not all problems that come your way are karmic. Difficult situation come your way as test or training so that you can become aware of your weakness or negative soul characteristic and cultivate positive soul characteristic. So here all the problem which comes to us, so our problem whichever come to us, it is not all the problems are not always our karma. So it comes to us to teach us. So all the problem which comes to us, it is not as our karma, right? Bad karma. So it comes to us to teach us the positivity, and to so that it gives us a negative experience so that we can learn some positivity from that, and we can develop a soul characteristic, a good soul characteristic and good quality from the incident. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. If karma is a debt you owe or a blessing you shall receive, training is your preparation. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if karma is your the karma which we are going to receive, and blessing we are going to receive, that we are going to get, right? Blessing we shall receive, but training is our preparation. So whatever training we are doing, right, it's completely, for example, if we are going in some particular match, okay, so what result is going to come, it is not in our hand, but preparing for that match in a better way, practicing, it is completely in our hand, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. It is what you choose to go through so that you are prepared to pass a particular test. So this we have selected in the spirit world, so we can go and pass a particular test, friends. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. With the help of high good soul in the spirit world, you select the type of training that you wish to complete during your earthly life. So by sitting with our high good soul, we have individually selected that whatever training and whatever things we are going to cover during this lifetime, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. You also choose what you wish to be tested on. That is specific soul characteristic. So we also have selected what thing we are going to test it on. That is called a specific soul characteristic. However, the nature of the test, their magnitude and timing are not decided by you, but automatically provided by your subconscious mind. So, but this nature of the test and timing is not decided by us, right? It is automatically provided by our subconscious mind, right? In a mode. For example, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via quotient Bhavnagri. Let's see what example they are giving. For example, when you go to university, you select the course you would like to learn. However, at the end of the course, you do not select the exact question on the exam paper. So this is a very important statement, friends, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via quotient Bhavnagri. So they are telling when we go in a university, so we have selected that what course we are going to learn. But what exam the question are going to come in the exam, that we have not selected, right? So this our subconscious mind gives us from time to time. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via quotient Bhavnagri. There will be many such tests at different point in your life, and they will be given to you until you pass them extremely well. So this type of tests are going to come in our life uh, many times, right? And it is going to be given to us up to the moment we do not pass or clear this test, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagri. Training makes your spirit strong and helps you realize certain truth. So here training makes us our spirit strong, and which make us realize certain truths, friend. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kosher Bhavnagari. Training helps your soul acquire certain quality. They are essential for you to pass test and fulfill your mission. So training actually helps certain soul quality for our soul, which helps us to pass certain quality in this earth plane, which is essential for our spiritual growth. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Training comes in a series of situations with which you have to cope, and that will help you to learn and grow. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling training comes with a series of situation. Means we will go in a particular situation, and there different training is going to come to us, and we have to cope, we have to understand, we have to cope with that situation, and we have to go forward in our life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Training comes in many form according to you, according to what you have chosen based on the requirement of your own soul. So training comes to us at different point of time in accordance to whatever we have selected in the spirit world, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. You will then be tested to see if you have learned through truth or lesson, and if they have become a part of your being. So this we are going to test it, that how we have learned that lesson, through truth or through by lessons, by getting that lessons we have learned that truth. These things will be tested, right, friends? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Test exists to determine whether you have learned spiritual lesson. So test exists to determine this, that whether we have learned that spiritual lesson or not. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. When you have learned a lesson well, the test does not appear again. So when we have learned that lesson well, that test is not going to appear again, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. You have gone through a certain situation and have moved beyond it. So we have gone through that situation and we have moved beyond it, which means you have understood the higher purpose of the struggle. So this means that we have understood that higher purpose of the struggle, friends. So this means, friends, we have understood the higher purpose of our struggle, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Let us say that you are proud about your success. You will come across a situation in which you will experience failure, your training. So if we are proud of our success, that we are proud that yes, we are success and we will be success in our life at each and every point of life, but there will be time when failures will come, where our pride will be tested, right? So it is our training, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. If you understand the nature of this failure, that it is presented to you to teach humility. So this failure have came us to teach us humility, friends. And you do become humble, you have learned the lesson. So if we have become humble, we have learned that lesson. So that thing is not going to come back to us again, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. And therefore pass the test, and therefore we have passed the test, friends. Yippee. You have replaced a negative soul characteristic pride with a positive soul characteristic humility. So at that point of time, friends, we have replaced that negative soul characteristics of pride with a positive soul characteristic of humility, friends. Okay. So once this change is genuine, you have truly passed your test. So when this test is genuine, so we have truly passed our test, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. This is how your soul is trained. As you rise higher spiritually, your test and training become of a higher nature. So as we rise higher spiritually, so our test is going to become higher in nature, friends. Okay. And you receive added help from the spirit world, and we are going to receive a added help from the spirit world, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Test also exists to help determine your moral strength. So our test also exists to help us to determine us our moral strength, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Do you choose the easy way out regardless of the fact that it may be morally wrong? So we have selected that, friends. Is that test is going to be morally wrong for us? This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Or do you choose what is right even through it is more difficult path? Or even we choose what is right even through its more difficult path, friends, right? Karma, testing and training are linked, but they are not the same. So here karma, test and training are internally linked with each other, but it is not the same. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari, friends. Okay. The bottom line is this: whenever situation comes your way, handle it with courage and a smile, but always be aware. So here when situation and test is going to come, so we have to handle that test with courage and smile, right? And and we should always be aware, friends. Okay. Test comes to you when you least expect them. So when we do not expect them, at that point of time test comes to us, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. A spiritual test is a surprise test, right? So our spiritual test is also a surprise test, which Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. This is the only way you will know if you have truly learned spiritual lesson. To be spiritually aware, operate from the subconscious mind, so you naturally do what is right. So this is the time where we are going to know we have learned the test or we have not, right? So we have to be aware from our subconscious mind, and we have to naturally do the right, whatever thing is right. We should never do the thing whatever is wrong, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. If you work from the physical mind, when a spiritual test comes to your way, you are using the wrong muscle. So whenever a spiritual test is coming, and if we are working with a physical mind, that means we are using the wrong muscle. We should always work from a subconscious mind when a test comes to us. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. That is the physical mind. So you may not do well, or you may fail completely when a test comes your way. You may you may become paralyzed with fear. So if we are using a physical mind, there is quite possibility that we are going to be paralyzed by our fear, and we are not going to complete that test in a very easy manner. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari, friends. Okay. So we should always use our subconscious mind apart from using our physical mind. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Or become angry and frustrated and The moment that happens, you have gotten off the wrong start by disconnecting from the subconscious mind. So moment this happens with us, that time we have gone wrong by disconnecting from the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. You have activated the wrong muscle, the physical mind. You start Your start is everything once you have activated the wrong muscle. So our start is everything. Once we have activated the wrong muscle, the thing is going to go wrong, right? So that time things are going to be wrong with us. So we should understand, right? We should always work from a subconscious mind, using the subconscious mind, but not the physical mind, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. You will keep using it eventually when you have failed the test. So after failing the test also we are going to use it, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. You will realize what you have done when you fail a test. It comes back to you, but it is always harder. So when we fail from a test, it is going to always come back to us, and it is going to be more harder, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. The lesson you need to learn will remain the same, but the test will come in a different form. This is how spiritual test is surprise test. So next time the test is going to be more hard. The lessons we are going to learn, it is going to be the same, but the spiritual test, it is going to come in another form. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Until you have learned the lesson, similar problems will keep coming your way again and again till you overcome it. So up to the moment we have learned this test is going to come to us again and again up to the moment we overcome this test, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. So friends, we should always be aware when we are giving our tests, so that we should always use our subconscious mind apart from using the physical mind. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Another law is that the higher you go spiritually, the harder your test becomes. So this is also very interesting. So higher we go spiritually, and the higher test, our test becomes more higher. Okay, just as when you go to a higher grade in the school, your exam becomes harder. As if we are going in higher grader in the school, our exam become more harder, right? So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. If you have spiritual knowledge and you still run away from your problem, you fall faster. So if we are having a spiritual knowledge and we still run away from a problem, that means we fall faster, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Whenever, whatever your reason for running away, be it fear, ego, or something else, the spiritual law is that if you have knowledge, you have a greater responsibility to accept your karma well, undergo training, and pass your spiritual test. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari that if we have the knowledge, right? If we have the knowledge, then we have more responsibility. Our responsibility is to pass our test, right? Give the exam properly, pass our test, learn that lesson, and rise spiritually in the spirit world, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari, friends. Okay, there are so many individuals on earth who have wonderful knowledge, but who are on low realm. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari that there are many human beings on earth, those who have wonderful knowledge, but they are still on the lower realm, friends. This is because in spite of having knowledge, they do not make use of it for their betterment. So this apart from having knowledge, they do not use it for the betterment of the soul. So they are not rising spiritually. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Nothing can save them if they are if they are on the wrong path, even if they share their knowledge with others. Therefore spiritual knowledge can actually cause you to fall even lower. So if they are on the wrong path, nothing is going to save them, and if they even share this knowledge to other person, it is going to make them fall spiritually more lower, because they are creating negativity in the society, and we should always create positivity in the society, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Doing something wrong after acquiring knowledge shows a complete discarded for the spiritual laws, and your karmic depth will increase. So friends, doing something wrong after having the knowledge is that means you're misusing the spiritual laws, and you're going more lower, and which should not happen, friends. Okay, we should always grow higher, and we should always use our knowledge in a very particular and a perfect way, friends. Okay, so there's Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. The downfall of two individuals who commit wrong deeds of similar magnitude can differ. So the downfall of two individuals, so those who commit wrong deed can differ, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. The one who has more knowledge goes lower spiritually and builds more negative karma. So one who is having more knowledge goes spiritually more lower and builds a more negative karma, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri. So friends, in our today's video, we have covered the topic called are testing and training the same as karma. So this topic, friends. Okay. So in our next video, build and more negative, more builds nothing can say them. Yeah. So in our next video, we are going to cover the topic called can you give us a few example of a spiritual test. So this is going to be the next video which I'm going to cover. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing the video 1, then 18, 24, 86, there's quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section. And you can do one thing, friends. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, this brings to end of today's video. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay well. Always let's do good karma in the life, and let us all grow spiritually. And one day we will definitely come in the spirit world, and you will say, I used to see your videos, and today we are in the spirit world. And let make us all this earth a heaven, right? And one day we all will come in the spirit world, and you will say, I used to see your videos, and today we are in the spirit world, and we will do party, we will enjoy there, we will dance there, and we will be very much happy in the spirit world, friends. Okay. So this brings to end of today's video. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care, stay well, stay blessed, friends. And I will be meeting you in the next video, okay, friends, with a new topic, friends. Okay, goodbye, friends.